We developed an innovative vaccine technology which allows us to quickly adapt to emerging threats by precision engineering vaccines. This is based on the ability of microbial cells and their endogenous assembly pathways, which we are hijacking and utilizing in this process. So what we basically do is we take information, genetic information from the virus and incorporate that into microbial production hosts. We have obtained the genetic information and commenced with this work. So we have now developed 4 vaccine candidates, and these candidates contain components of the virus that causes COVID-19. These candidates are produced in the lab, and we have them available for now animal trials. We have a local manufacturing organization in Dara, Luina Bio. They are very well set up to actually take up our technology and plug it into their industrial manufacturing processes. And what we anticipate is that using their capabilities and expertise, that we will be able, within 2 to 3 months from now, able to produce millions of doses per week. So currently we are producing those vaccine candidates, and we are reaching a point after the animal trials where we urgently need funding to move to the next step.